You want to take your video quality from this to this, then this is the video you should be watching. This is a new year, and I know most of us will want to take content creation seriously. We want to up our games and create quality content. And some of us also want to start our YouTube channel this year. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process on how to achieve beautiful background like this one you're watching. And trust me, it's absolutely free and you can use just your phone. Now let's get right into the video. We're going to be needing three apps for this process. First app is Lunadi AI. We'll be using this to generate our beautiful backgrounds, which is absolutely free of course. The second app we'll be using is Canva. We're using this to make adjustments to our background and also add any other elements we want to add to the beautiful background. The third app we'll be using is CapCut. This is going to be our video editing app. We'll be using it to edit our video. Now let's get into the process. You are going to go to Google and type Leonardo AI and tap on it. It's going to ask you to create an account, and you're going to create an account using your Google or type in an email. So this is how the interface of the site looks like. And if you want to generate an image, you're going to tap on that generate an image icon there. You see that we have 150 tokens for free. So you are going to be typing a prompt, that is typing a description of the design you want. So this is me typing the type of wall design that I want. And to generate an image, you need 8 token for that. So it has generated images for me, and you have to choose the image that is best suitable for you. After that, we head to Canva because I want to add some elements to my background, and I also want to increase the size to YouTube size. So on the search bar, I'm going to type YouTube thumbnail to give me the perfect YouTube size that I want for my background. And once I finish typing it, I'm going to change the Canva background to the image that my AI generated for me, and that's what I'm doing right here. That I decided to add a YouTube logo because I love YouTube logo and I want to have one in the future. So I'm going to go to the search bar on Canva and type logo and choose a free one because there are also some pro ones which require money. So I'm going to choose a free one and reduce the size and look for a perfect position to place it in the background. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and download my image from Canva. After downloading it, you can go ahead and save your image and it will save to your photos on your phone. Head over to CapCut and import your background. After importing your background, you're going to scroll down and click on add overlay to add your already shot video as an overlay to the background that you have already. After that, you're going to drag your background to make it the same length as your overlay and make some adjustments if need be. After that, you're going to click on cutout and click on remove background, and it will automatically remove your background for you. And after removing the background, you're going to also make some adjustments to your video. Now we're going to be blurring the background of our video. You're going to click on effects, then video effects, and type in blur on the search bar to blur the background. You're going to click on the first blur effect that comes up. After clicking on it, you're also going to either increase or reduce the opacity depending on your preference. After that, you're going to click on filters to add filters to the video, and you can add as many filters as you want. Well done, you're going to click on download to export the video. You've got a perfect video with a high quality. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, happy new year guys. See you guys in my next video.